vowels and consonants. There are 5 vowels in English language. A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 vowels. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. These are 21 consonants. Now, let's talk about semi-vowels. 2 semi-vowels are there, W and Y. These are semi-vowels. In the word water and yak, W and Y. These 2 letters are consonants because they are creating the sounds of wa and ya, which are consonants. And in the words now and sky, these letters W and Y, they are used in the end and they are creating the sounds of vowels O and I. Now O, sky, I. So these are vowels. W and Y are consonants and vowels at the same time. So they are called semi-vowels. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and press the bell icon.